So in this tutorial we're going to create another character now. So I'm going to go back to main, and what I'm going to do is create a different bee. So this is going to be a character I've made called the Math Bee. So let's add our picture in. Let's add a new picture. I'm going to upload it again. So you can choose any picture you want. I'm just going based on ones that I've been using before. So don't worry. Let's have a look. So here's my Math Bee. So let's just use him. So Math Bee. Okay, let's publish that. Okay. Now that's published, let's make sure I gave it a name. So it's still pick at the moment, so Math Bee. I need to create it on the screen again, and I need to give it a sprite, so that's why I'm doing this again, so you remember. So let's add a new sprite called, so let's go down, and we're using sprite Math Bee game, Math Bee, let's just say Math character. Okay, that way we know it's different from the French one. Now if I go back to my code, I'm going to show you something useful here. So we've got bee character here, but if you wanted, you can copy and paste code, because you've got this mark, shift up and down. So here we go, mark button you can press, and you can actually select bits of code and copy it, and then underneath that I'm going to add a line below and I'm going to paste it. So you can see I've got bee character twice now, but I don't want that. I want to get rid of this guy and have math character. This guy, have math character. This guy, have math character. And again, math character, and again, math character. So I've got these, but also I need to change the picture because I've got French Bee in here. So let's get rid of him. And I got Math Bee. Now these are going to be in the same position. So what I really need to do is keep one of them the same. So like X is going to be the same, but maybe, in fact, I'm going to move X along to 700. So what you'll see here is one bee at 500, one bee at 700. Let's have a look at that. There we go. So you've got the one bee like I already had moving up and down, but you can't do anything with this one at the moment. So what I want to do now is get the Math Bee, okay, to actually overlap the French one. Alright? So I've got math character, create picture. Sorry, I've got my Maths Bee and my French Bee. That one should be the Math Bee. Okay, and this one should be the French Bee. Sorry for any confusion there. French Bee. Alright. So let's have a look. I've got the French Bee moving up and down, and there's my new character I added in, the Math Bee. Right, so what I want to do now is have one of them overlapping each other. So watch, I'm just going to go back to my game loop and change this back to X. So let's change this to set X, and let's change this to X, because remember I'm going left and right. So let's have a look. So now I can actually overlap that character. Alright, so let's get a bit of code that does something there. So when it overlaps, else do nothing, but I can also do move left. And this time I'm going to say if, okay, and I'm going to use my sprite. Alright, if bee character, and if you look around here on the menus, overlaps with Okay. Alright. And it automatically put the other character in there, which is awesome. Then, and what I'm going to do, just to demonstrate this, is show some text. So watch. Overlapped. Okay. And what I can do is post it to the wall. So now, whenever the character overlaps, it's going to post it to the wall. So let's have a look. Watch what happens. So it's automatically posting that on the wall. But that was just a demonstration. Obviously you wouldn't do that as the code, because all it's going to do is like make your game have an error. But I just wanted to show you that happening every time it overlaps. So let's run it again. Let's do it slowly. There we go. And what you could do is have a variable on the screen that you've posted to the wall. And I'll show you how to do that in the next tutorial.